Hi, my name is Jordan Dieck, and I teach at Waller Elementary School in Bossier Parish. As an educator, I am passionate about many things, but mostly about teaching students social soft skills that will help them to succeed in their future careers and in life. The main three soft skills that we focus on in our classroom are teamwork, communication, and interpersonal skills. All of these will help my students be college and career ready by allowing them to work well with others, navigate different environments, and achieve their goals. In this video, you will see my 4th grade math class, which is currently learning about multiplication and division using the Zern curriculum. This particular lesson's objective is for the students to show the relationship between multiplication and division by solving division equations. We have learned various strategies for solving division, and this is our 2nd day of implementing the box method strategy. While working with my students, I have found that they enjoy this strategy the most, and it helps them in transitioning into the standard algorithm. 4th grade is also where they are seeing remainders for the first time, and it helps with their understanding of that. It also helps in seeing the connection between multiplication and division and seeing where each part of the quotient is coming from. The lesson ties into our overall goal of not only being able to multiply and divide, but being able to understand the relationship between the two. This block of students consists of students who scored unsatisfactory or approaching basic on the LEAP test last year, which includes 10 special ed students. You will notice that some of them will be using a multiplication chart because that is an accommodation that they receive. We start with the whole group lesson and then split into individual computer work and small groups. They will be completing their individual work next to a partner while I work with a small group at my table. This will allow them the opportunity to receive immediate assistance if needed without having to interrupt my small group or wait for me to do my walk around. I hope you enjoy our lesson.
Okay, so what we're doing today, we are going to show the relationship between multiplication and division. I want you to say that with me. I can show the relationship between multiplication and division. Very good. We are also going to show and explain division problems using the equations. So we're using equations and strategies to solve our division problem. 27 divided by 2. So write that in your first box. 27 divided by 2.
27
Very good, Melissa.
divided by 2.
Okay, so what do we do with these numbers when we're using the box method? Christina. Divided how? So what do we do with them?
We like draw 2 circles and we keep on doing it until we go to 27.
Okay, so Christina is using the array method, which is very good. We learned that before. Christina wasn't here yesterday. So who can tell Christina what we learned yesterday? What is the new method that we are going to use the Kyron?
It's called the box method. And you put run the 27 down and spread them out a little.
Okay, so, and then what?
Then put like a half of the box around it. Then put the 2 like right beside the other 2. But do not put it inside the box.
Very good, because who remembers this bar means divide. Very good, just like this. So we would say 27 divided by 2. Very good. We need to, well, Titan said we need to multiply, and Melissa said we have to put our multiplication up here above the 2. So we are multiplying by 2. So what do we need to do to help us on the side, Reagan?
We need to put, can you skip by 2s and write it on the side.
Very good. We're going to skip count by 2s. We're going to write our multiples of 2. So can y'all help me do that? 2, 4, 6, 8. Who agrees with 6? Thumbs up. All right, 6. So where does my 6 go, Robert?
Underneath the 7.
Very good. What is 7 minus 6, Joshua? 1. Very good. What do I do with my 1? Jayana?
We bring it over.
Because who says bring it over?
Brother.
Brother says bring it over. Oh, it's out of my box. What does that mean? Melissa.
Go on top of the box.
And it is the
Remainder.
remainder. How do I say remainder? What do I put?
4.
Very good. Remainder of 1. So what is the answer?
13 remainder.
13 remainder of 1. Okay, so I want you to repeat after me. You ready? 27.
27
Divided by 2.
divided by 2
Equals.
equals
13.
13
Remainder 1.
remainder 1.
Very good. All right, thumbs up if you understood. Thumbs in the middle if you're still kind of want to practice another one. Okay, I want you to work with your neighbor to try to set up this problem. 53 divided by 3. So work with your neighbor. Here.
Stop.
So we have to first. And then up top, we have to write 3 times what is 3. Very good. Yes, ma'am. And then 3 times 1. So your 1 goes right
Then
here.
we got to do.
Okay, so what's next? What does sister say?
Sister says subtract.
Okay, so we have to subtract.
So now, what is 3?
Yes, ma'am. What are you subtracting, Audrey?
2. Subtract 2.
Equals.
Adding.
2. That's fun.
We're subtracting here.
2. 2 divided by 2 is 0. So technically, we go. Oh wait.
What does the brother say? So what are we bringing over?
We forgot to put something right there though.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, so you're gonna bring it over. You might
So
need to
minus.
Take your sugar
what number is that?
So,
So where's 21 over there? So on the top, so here we did 3 times 1 equals 3. So now we're looking for 3 times what equals 21. So what do you need to do over here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And where does that go? Perfect. And what do you need to do with this number?
You put it up here. Put R2.
Very good, girls. Perfect. Give me 5. Good job.
circle the 8
Why the 8?
because it's smaller than 9.
And what did you do?
Then we go minus 9 minus 8. And that equals 1. And 2. 2 on the top.
Why does the 2 go on the top?
Because 2 times 4 is 8.
Very good.
You go circle the 12.
Oh, what do you got to do the 1 first?
Drag the, then you go drag the 1. Make that a 15.
Okay, we're gonna let somebody do the next part. That was very good, Titan. What is the first number we're looking at in our box?
8.
The 8. Very good, Trey. So what do I need to do over here? I need to find the number that's closest to 8 but not bigger. Very good. So what number would that be? Thumbs up if you think it's 5. Alright, so we're going to circle our 5. Where does the 5 go, Joshua? Under the 8. But what do I need to make sure I put on top? I need something up here. Times what? Times 1. Because 5 times 1 equals, everybody say that with me. 5 times 1 equals 5. Alright, what do I do next? Sister says what? Subtract. Very good. What am I subtracting? 8 minus 5. Very good. Alright, go ahead and do that on your paper. You gotta actually do it though. What is 8 minus 5? Write it down. You still need to write it down. Well, no, you just need to write your answer down. So we all agree 8 minus 5 equals 3. So what do I need to do with my 3? Brother says bring it over. Over. There you go. So put your 3 there. And what is our new number? 37. Very good. So we're going to look back over here. We might need to add 1. What would come after 35 if we were counting by 5? 40. Let's add that just to make sure. We're going to add. So just squeeze it next to it. You can write it right next to it. Okay, Trey. Which one of these numbers is close to 37 and not bigger? Trey, I'm asking Trey. Y'all can go ahead and circle it if you know. Close to 37. But not bigger. It'll be 5. Good job. All right, 35. So where does my 35 go? Right there under the 37.
After reviewing the students' classwork and the exit ticket for the day, I believe that the lesson's objectives were met successfully. Students were able to solve division equations using the strategy and show the relationship between multiplication and division. Most students finished all of their equations, and the ones who didn't finish today were eager to come back and finish them tomorrow. The lesson flowed smoothly because the students understood the content and knew the expectations for working together in our classroom. As far as what I would do differently, I would have allowed them more time to work independently and more opportunities to get up and move around the classroom. In the next few days, students will learn a few more strategies for solving division equations, and I will continue to pull the few that did not meet the objectives to small groups and find the strategy that best works for each child. In conclusion, I am seeing tremendous growth in these students this year, and I believe that is because we foster a sense of family inside of our classroom. Students understand the importance of working together and being kind, so their classmates are confident and comfortable when sharing their ideas and work. They also know that it is okay to make mistakes because it is what you can learn from those mistakes that will help you to grow. We show up every day ready to learn and grow together.